What's up, guys? I guess I'll do a little bit of update. First thing is shave my beard. Yep. And I'm single now, so I'll be looking for a new garage. Gonna have to buy a house, so next couple months I'll be moving all my stuff, but until then still gonna try to get her finished. She's actually closer to starting than ever. Need a 4.5 inch intake pipe, go from here to here, and some clamps. Intake's done till I can buy some AN fittings to hook up my catch can setup that I want to get from Elite Engineering, and I want to get, you know, a factory coolant factory coolant tank to go right here. Well, not the factory one, but an aluminum one or something. And I still got to wire this up to my ignition. This is for the alternator. But yeah, those are the tires. So up front, I got huge, ginormous 195/50 16s. You can see, mounted on 300ZX wheels. I had them powder coated black by my buddy Aaron Beaver. Need powder coating, hit them up. And then just back here, nothing, just tiny 325/50 15s, you know, nothing special. Needed 15 millimeters of spacers just to get the tire away from hitting the upper shock coil and the lower control arm over there. But she clears it all, just barely. So my next set of wheels, I'm gonna have to get probably go with 4.5 inch back spacing. This is I think 6 inch back spacing on these Jakes stars, and gonna need some wider over fenders too, for sure. But she looks badass on the ground. That's all I fucking care about. I got my relay box back here done for my pump and my intercooler pump and my fuel pump. As you can see, there's the main fuel filter, and there's the fuel pump. That's all plumbed in. Pretty easy setup. Got my grounds for all my relays and everything, the pump and everything right here. Main feed coming in, the power. These two relays got two 40 amp fuses, two 40 amp relays. This, once I put some covering over it, just gonna go up to my kill switch I got right here on the power side. So when I flip the switch off, it kills everything. Still got nothing in the chassis. I mean, in the interior, but that's coming soon. Hopefully this next check I can get my Chase Bays brake boost eliminator kit, and maybe even get the lines. I don't know. Like I said, I gotta buy a house, so can't really spend too much on this thing, but I would like to see it run before I leave here, so at least I can drive it to my new house. Huh. That would be pretty fucking cool. So yeah, any questions, comments, just either leave a comment below, or, you know, send me a message or something. I'm gonna post this on Facebook and YouTube, so try to get more people watching this thing, because it is pretty cool. And hopefully y'all see me cruising around, and hopefully all it takes is 3 honks to get my attention, you know what I mean. Alright, y'all, later.